Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by loading photo mode immediately after a scene you like. This preserves natural poses. First, hide the HUD and select the suit and camera preset so lighting and reflections match the moment. Once done, set time of day and weather sliders to adjust shadows. This changes mood dramatically. You should toggle cinematic depth of field and motion blur now to control focus and perceived motion, because they define subject separation and dynamism for every subsequent adjustment. You now move into composition. Use the free camera to position Spider-Man and the environment for storytelling. Make sure to lock your focus on the face or a key emblem, since precise focus creates emotional impact. Then fine-tune FOV and focal length to control perspective. Reduce aperture for shallow depth and creamy bokeh. After framing, apply color grading and subtle lens artifacts to match a cinematic style, because these layers convert a good frame into a striking photo. You finish by baking the final look. Lock lighting, add film grain sparingly, and export at the highest resolution available to preserve detail. Make sure to save your custom preset so you can reproduce the same angle and filter later. If reflections or strange artifacts appear, first reset individual sliders like bloom or motion blur rather than a full reset. This isolates the issue quickly. Finally, recheck composition after export to ensure no clipping or unintended overlays remain.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.